The Arthrex GraftNet XL bone collection device is an innovative solution for efficient, high-volume autograft collection during spine fusion procedures. The GraftNet XL features a drape clip, 3 feet of flexible inflow tubing, and a 60-micron filter to capture extremely fine autograft particulate. The device also features universal inflow and outflow suction adapters for seamless integration into surgical workflow. Optimal applications for the GraftNet XL include MIS spine fusion procedures, when a high-speed drill is used for facet decompression. As bone is resected, a Fraser suction tip connected to the inflow suction adapter of the GraftNet XL can be used to capture the autograft bone debris. Once the decompression is complete, the filter bag of the GraftNet XL can be removed from the main housing. Excess fluid can be removed from the autograft by compressing the filter mesh. The autograft can then be removed from the filter into the sterile field. Additionally, a freer can be used to scrape additional autograft from the filter. This autograft can then be mixed with additional bone grafts, PRP, BMAC, BMAC, or reimplanted directly into the fusion site. Autograft collection with GraftNet XL is as simple as resect and collect.